Hello and welcome to my channel Craftility. In this video I am going to show you how to make beautiful quilling fan. This you can use it as a decorative wall hanging. If you are new here, then be sure to subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications of latest videos. So let's get started. First we'll create a tight coil using 10 strips of 3mm yellow color. So each strip is of 17 inches. So what we'll do, we'll glue all the strips together and we'll form a very long strip and then we'll start rolling it. For this project I am using 3mm quilling strips. So now tight coil is ready. This is a base on which we will stick the wooden sticks. So now we'll take wooden sticks. These are craft sticks and we'll use 7 sticks and we'll glue these sticks on the coil. If you are a beginner, then have a look at quilling tags. These are really very simple to create. After sticking the sticks, keep it aside to dry it completely. Meanwhile, we can create the elements or shapes of our quilling project. So for this, first we'll create a teardrop shape using pink strip which is 17 inches long. So take the quilling tool and create a coil first. So take out the quilling tool and leave the coil in 21st circle of the circle guide. Once the coil is unrolled, take it out and apply glue. Now pinch it from one side to create a teardrop shape. For second shape, we have to create a loose coil using 8 inches of orange strip. So take quilling strip and start creating a loose coil. Leave the coil in 8th circle of this guide and then take it out and apply glue. So second shape is also ready. For another shape, we need to create a teardrop. For this, I am using 8 inches of yellow strip. So create a coil and leave that coil in 14th circle of the quilling guide to unroll. Later, take it out, apply glue and pinch it from one side to create a teardrop shape. Now we'll use pink strip of 4 inches to create a tight coil. You will also like the quilling rose card. You can find tutorial by clicking it on right top notification. So now we'll start sticking the shapes in between the wooden sticks. I am showing how to create the first section of this fan. As we have stuck 7 sticks together, it will create 6 sections. Okay, so first section we have to start by sticking teardrop shape. After sticking teardrop, take loose coil, orange coil, and then stick it over pink teardrop. And now we'll glue all the shapes together as I am showing. In this project, I am using many different colors and hence this project is very vibrant. You can use this as a wall decor or also you can frame it. So now we'll create a beehive pattern. For this, I am using a green strip of 17 inches. First we'll fold the strips in two parts and then again we'll fold it Thus we have created 4 different sections of this strip, and then we'll start rolling it, not entire strip but till the section. Okay, so first section is over. We'll start rolling in between the second section. So insert the quilling strip in between the tool and start rolling. In all the sections we have to do the same thing. We have to start rolling in between of the section. Okay, so thus we have created 4 coils which are connected to each other. So now we'll stick this in our project. This pattern is called beehive pattern. Now we create a teardrop shape using glue strip of 8 inches. Stick these teardrop shapes. You can also visit the quilling playlist of my channel by clicking top right notification. Now we'll create a ring coil using 8 inches of pink strip. We'll wrap the strip around the round object. For this I am using a top or a cap of glue bottle. So ring coil is ready. Now create more ring coil and then stick them together on the project. Now again I am using blue teardrop shape. The measurement of these blue teardrop shapes are same as we have created earlier. Now again we have to create a beehive shapes. For this I am using a green strip of 25 inches. The technique of creating these are same. Again we'll fold it and then we'll start rolling using quilling tool. I was not having a strip of entire 25 inches, so I have took 17 inches strip and then glued 8 inches strip with it, and hence I got 25 inches of quilling strip. Once the coil is ready, you can roll it. If there is a distance or space between the coil, you can roll the coil with your hands and then start gluing it on the project. Now again we'll create a teardrop shape using 8 inches of yellow strip. Once the teardrop shapes are ready, glue 6 shapes together to form a flower. Thus create 2 flowers and then stick those flowers on the project. Now we'll create a loose coil using 8 inches of orange strip. create 2 such coils and then glue those coils in between the flower. Now again take the ring coils. The measurements are same as we have created earlier. You can also try these basic quilling cards, which are really very easy to make. Now again, we'll create a teardrop shape using glue strip of 8 inches. And glue this teardrop shape in between the ring coils. If you feel that there is space, then you can always glue more teardrop shapes in between the patches. So thus we have completed our first section. Similarly, we have to do in rest sections also. The method, technique and the measurements all are same. I hope you like this video and my quilling project. See you in my next video. Till then, happy quilling.